In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GPTease to write the perfect welcome message. Let's get into it. When you get inside GPTease, it's going to take you into our chat dashboard and our chat interface. What you're going to see on the screen are some suggested prompts to get started, this icon which will take you into our prompt library for additional prompts. You're going to see the chat history on the left of all of your past chats, a button at the top of that to start a new chat. Then you're going to see an area where you can click to personalize GPTs to be an extension of you as a creator. This is very important. Then you're going to notice just below that is the prompt box, the chat interface where you can write to GPTs. And then directly to the left of that, in the corner of the screen, is your profile area where you can click to address your billing or, again, personalize your settings. Now, to write the perfect welcome message, we actually already have a prompt in our library for that. So I'm going to navigate back to the prompt library to select that prompt to get started. Once you select it, you're going to notice that it's going to fill in the prompt inside the chat interface box. And it reads, "Help me create a welcome message for my fan site based on my personalization." Now, it's really important you have your personalization filled out before using a prompt like this. Inside your personalization, you're going to tell GPTs all the most important things about your brand. You're going to give it some of your very own writing samples. You're going to pick your most used and common emojis. You're also going to give it keywords to describe you as a creator and to describe your content. This is so important for using prompts like this that rely on personalization. So now that we have the prompt and we know our personalization is filled out, we can click this icon to send the prompt or hit enter. What's going to happen is GPTease is going to write you two responses. Response 1 on the left is the instructional response. It's going to be GPTease trying to give you exactly what you want. Response 2 on the right is going to be a more creative response. It's going to be thinking a little bit more outside the box. And as you can see at the top, we're going to have to select one of these responses to continue. If we were to write in this chat box again and try to re-prompt GPTs, it wouldn't work. And you'll notice this black box here won't actually let us. So we're going to have to select one of these responses to continue. So let's read through them and pick which welcome message sounds the best. Okay, based on this, I really like this left, more instructional response. So I'm going to select that one. Once you select it, you're going to notice the response fills the entire screen. And if you scroll back up, you'll see your original prompt at the top and then the response that you've chosen. Just below the response, you're going to see these three icons. This first icon is to copy the response so that you can use it in your welcome message. The second icon is where you're going to be able to share your chat, either the entire chat, the prompt and the response, or the AI response only. Once you select how you want to share, you would create the link and then you could share it with, say, another creator friend, for example. Just left of that is this 1/2 with the arrows icon. And what this is a way to go back and revisit the response that you didn't choose. This comes in handy if there's bits and pieces of maybe that other non-chosen response that you want to just take and incorporate to the one that you did choose. And there you have it. You have a well-crafted welcome message to use on your fan site or wherever you need it most. I hope this helps, and I hope you really enjoy using GPTs. I'll see you in the next video.